Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your team in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to go into the My Team section, and here you can change how your team. What you want to do, if you want to, the high overall rating is you're going to press Auto Build. And what it's going to do is just going to auto build everything for you. So my overall rating just went from 600,000 coins into 1.3 million, and the overall team rating is 86. But you can see that there is some issues that we need to solve. To start off, this and this shouldn't be here. So we're going to switch it around, and then we're going to swap a right winger with someone like Yaya Toure. Then this left back should not be here, so I'm going to put a left mid instead, and we're going to swap him for a normal center back. Then of course this should not be a cam, so we're going to switch it to a normal right back, but we don't have a right back, so I'm going to put a left back, and from here we can just switch this guy with Lingard. And here you are. The team is a little bit short in value, but each position is at their normal corresponding position. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.